All right, happy Sunday, everyone. It is Tink with Southern Breakers and Fair Exchange. Tonight is November 28th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're about to start our six-box eBay mixer for the evening. Appreciate everybody for taking the time to bid and join in. So let's see what we have tonight. We have 2021 Contenders Football Blaster, 2021 Leaf Signature Football Hobby Box, 4 autos in that one. We have 2021 Sage Premier Draft High Series, 3 autos in that one. And we have the 2021 Donruss Holiday Blaster Box, 1 hit and Optic Parallel in that one. And 2021 Leaf Flash Football, 5 autographs in that. And to finish us off, we'll have a 2021 Hit Parade College Football mini helmet. That should be pretty fun. So, let's get started with some Donruss. Our packs, there's our empty box. All right, good luck, everyone. All right, we got Devin McCourty, Justin Tucker, Jeff Okuda, Mike Gesicki, Teddy Bridgewater, Marcus May, Barry Sanders, no helmet variation for the Lions. Our first rated rookie is Kadarius Toney for the New York Giants. And Kid Reporter. Saquon Barkley, Randy Moss, Stephon Diggs, Aaron Donald, Buda Baker, DeForest Buckner, Denzel Mims, our variation is Darius Leonard for the Indianapolis Colts. Rated rookie Kalen Granson, also for the Indianapolis Colts. Hunter Henry, this one is for the Patriots. Ndamukong Suh, Daniel Sorensen, Chase Young variation for the Washington football team. Nice. What you do with the thick sleeves? Thank you. All right, our first hit is a nice one. Rookie sweaters, Ramondre Stevenson, going to the New England Patriots on a rookie sweater. Nice one for the Patriots. There you go, Patriots. We got the Patriots tonight. Blas. Congrats to Blas M. Alright, now rated rookie is Dante Brown. The Washington football team. There you go, Washington. Rated rookie. Kid reporter. Alright, we got Adam Thielen, Jamal Adams, Anthony Ferkshire, Danny Amendola, Malcolm Jenkins, Dak Prescott. Variation is Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. Had kind of a tough day today. Hopefully it'll bounce back next week. There you go, Eagles. Our rated rookie is Alex Leatherwood. First round pick for the Oakland Raiders. Or Las Vegas Raiders, I should say. There you go, Raiders. All right, Max Crosby, Joe Burrow, Devontae Parker, Mark Brunell, Drew Brees variation for the Saints. I have here nice power formulas. Josh Allen for the Buffalo Bills. Nice insert for the Bills on the Josh Allen. Our rated rookie is Demetric Felton for the Cleveland Browns. And kid reporter. All right, we got Tre'Davious White, James White, Russell Wilson, Melvin Gordon. All right, these are. This Joe Montana has a huge bend in it. See at the top. Not sure how that happened. The rest of them seem to be alright, but this Montana is trash. All right, we got Derek Brown, Matthew Stafford, James Robinson, Saquon Barkley variation for the Giants. MVS. And our rated rookie is Trevor Lawrence. Nice. Rated rookie for the Jaguars. Trevor Lawrence. I might have stuck some old ones on top of it. We'll pull them old ones out of there. There you go, Jaguars. You're Trevor Lawrence. I got the Jaguars. Dwayne. Congrats on the rated rookie Trevor Lawrence. All right, we got Lamar Jackson, Justin Jefferson, DeAndre Hopkins, Mo Alley Cox, Logan Thomas. We got a Brady variation for the Buccaneers. Nice. Dominators, Jared Goff on the Dominators for the Lions. Our rated rookie, Kyle Pitts. First round pick for the Falcons. Hit reporter. We got Darren Waller, George Kittle, Christian McCaffrey, Jalen Ramsey, Zadarius Smith, Tua variation for the Dolphins. Aaron Rodgers. Our rated rookie is Xavier Collins for the Arizona Cardinals. And kit reporter. We got Myles Garrett, Matt Ryan, Justin Herbert, John Bostic, DK Metcalf variation, Seahawks with the green hair. Alright, we got Jalen Smith. Nice. This is a different one. Got what it's called already. Our portrait rated rookie is Pat Freiermuth for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Nice. On the portrait rated rookie. And Amir Smith-Marset rated rookie for the Vikings. Two nice rated rookies in that one. Alright, we got Dallas Goedert, King Hicks, Leonard Williams, Phillip Lindsay, Bud Dupree, Julio Jones variation. Still with the Falcons on this one. Dante Johnson. Rated rookie is Javon Holland for the Miami Dolphins. Javon Holland. Alright, last pack on our 2021 Donruss Holiday Blaster. Alright, we got our optic preview in there. And it's a nice one. A very nice one. Jordan Poyer. Romeo Okwara. Marshall Lattimore. Joe Burrow variation for the Bengals. We got James Conner, and this is for the Cardinals. Baker Mayfield variation for the Browns. Wow, it's a very sick card coming up. Very nice. Mac Jones optic rated rookie preview. Sick card for the Patriots. And Blas, got you another one. This one is super nice. Congrats. And our last card, rated rookie Carlos Boogie Basham, going to the Buffalo Bills. All right, that was a nice blaster box there. Congrats. All right, get all this stuff out the way. Let's get into some Sage. 3 autos and a ton of rookies. Hits to the side. And our rookies are empty. Alright, let's keep it going. A good start. Alright, we got Kenny Yarbrough, Khalil Herbert. Next level is Najee Harris. Nice one for the Steelers. We got Trey Sermon, Paulson Adebo. Our silvers is Malcolm Kuntz and Spencer Brown. Jamie Newman, Malcolm Kuntz, DJ Daniel, Jalen Waddle. Nice one for the Dolphins. Had a big day today. And Ronnie Perkins. Got Eli Stove. Next level is Justin Fields for the Bears. We got Kelvin Joseph, Travis Etienne, Richie Grant. Silver is Daz Newsome and KJ Costello. Anthony Nunn, Bruno LaBelle, Shaq Smith, Brendan Knox, and Avery Williams. All your rookies will be at least sleeved. My partner is behind me taking care of that as we speak. I'll try to sleeve up a couple as we go. Alright, we got Sam Ellinger, next level. Nick Eubanks, Davis Mills, Taylor Wallace, Chris Evans. Silver is Jonathan Cooper and Pete Werner. Brendan Mack, Derek Force, Jamin Davis, Spencer Brown, and Kyle Pitts. Our next level is Khalil Herbert, Travis Etienne, Trevor Lawrence, rookie. For the Jaguars. We got Trey Nixon, Stevie Scott. Next level, another Mac Jones. Patriots starting off well. We got next level, Amon-Ra St. Brown. Zach Wilson, rookie. For the Jets. Justin Henderson, DeMonte Coxey, Pat Frymuth, and Colin Hill. Alright, last pack before we get to our hits. Alright, we got next level Trace Sermon. Got Pete Werner. Next level Zach Wilson. Another one for the Jets. Charles Snowden. Corey Dolphine. Silver is Caleb Huntley and Richard LeConte III. We got Jamar Watson, Daz Newsome, Kalen Granson, TJ Simmons, and Blake Pearl. Alright, that was your 2021 Sage rookies. Now let's get into our hits. 3 autos. Wow, we got us a nice one. This one. Something a little different. Alright, first up, we have offensive lineman Spencer Brown. Spencer Brown going to the Buffalo Bills. There you go, Bills. Bills is Sean B. There you go, Sean. Congrats. Alright, next up, we have a linebacker. It is Shaq Smith. A linebacker for the New Orleans Saints. Saints tonight is Andy. Congrats, Andy. A little linebacker action. Something a little different. Have a peak performers auto. Red parallel Chris Evans. Like he's out of LSU. Peak performers running back. Going to the Cincinnati Bengals. Nice one. Definitely not LSU, so it must be Michigan. Alright, so the Bengals is Andy as well. Congrats to Andy on the Chris Evans Peak Performance autograph. All right, that was our 2021 Sage Premier High Series. All right, get into some Panini Contenders. Looking for one auto on this one. Some parallels and some goodies. Nice rookies. There's our packs. There's our empty. All right, let's keep it going. All right, we got Travis Kelce, Roquan Smith, Adam Thielen. Nice. Draft class rookie is Zach Wilson for the Jets. A few Zach Wilsons tonight. All right, we got Lamar Jackson and J.J. Watt. All right, we got Patrick Mahomes, Joe Burrow, and our hit has popped up already. Not familiar with this fellow. Let's see. We have rookie college ticket, Ben Mason. He is definitely out of Michigan. Another Michigan man. Red college ticket auto. It's like a tight end. Let's see where Ben is going. No, he's a fullback. All right, Ben is a free agent, so we will randomize Big Ben Mason amongst everyone in the break. So we will do that at the end of the break. Set Ben to the side. So we got a free agent. All right, we got Calvin Ridley, Robert Woods, and Phillip Rivers. All right, we got Micah Fitzpatrick, Devontae Adams, Jordan Love. Nice front row seats, red parallel. Terrace Marshall Jr. on the red parallel, going to the Carolina Panthers. Nice one for the Panthers. All right, we got Devin Singletary and Jalen Hurts. Michael Thomas, Josh Allen. Red game ticket is Derrick Henry. Get some sleeves. Titans getting the red parallel game ticket of Derrick Henry. We got Devin White, Tyler Lockett, and Jarvis Landry. Chris Carson, Drew Brees, T.J. Watt. Front row seats. This is Patrick Surtain II. Going to the Denver Broncos. Antonio Gibson and Kirk Cousins. We got Keenan Allen, Adrian Peterson. Nice draft class is Kyle Pitts. On to the Falcons. Rookie draft class. We got Kenyon Drake, DK Metcalf, and Alvin Kamara. All right, last pack on our 2021 Contenders draft. Teddy B, Tyrann Mathieu, Stephon Diggs. Nice game ticket red. Aaron Rodgers. Nice red parallel for the Packers. Congrats. Matthew Stafford, and Damian Harris. All right, that was our 2021 Contenders Draft Picks Football. Now it is halftime. Let's see what our halftime bonus is going to be for tonight. Okay, that's not right in arm's reach. All right, we're going to do a bonus 2021 Prestige Hanger Box. Get us some Astro Parallels. And maybe we can find us a bonus hit in here tonight. So I appreciate everybody for joining in. Our little halftime bonus for this evening. See if we can get a hit for somebody. Alright, there's a nice stack of bonus cards. There's our empty. So good luck everyone on the bonus. Alright, we got Saquon Barkley, Carson Wentz, Drew Lock, Cam Akers, Jeff Okudah, Stephon Diggs, Joe Burrow, Ramsey Tunsil, Jonathan Taylor, Bradley Chubb, Khalil Mack, Travis Fulgham, Sam Darnold, Kareem Hunt, Kevin Byard, Henry Ruggs III, DK Metcalf, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Miles Sanders, Taysom Hill, Derwin James, Nick Bosa. All right, let's get us some parallels. Nice one on top. Extra points. Astro parallel is Kyler Murray. Nice bonus for the Cardinals. Pretty card. Next up, our extra points. Astro. This one is Cole Met. Nice one for the Bears. Extra points. Keenan Allen for the Chargers. We have Jimmy Garoppolo on the extra points for the 49ers. Astros, very nice cards. Got us a rookie. This one is for the Jets. It's Michael Carter. Rookie extra points. Going to the Jets. Nice bonus cards. Get us some inserts. We have Powerhouse. This is Alvin Kamara. Little bonus for the Saints. All right, Any Given Sunday. This is Rondé Barber on the Any Given Sunday insert. Going to the Buccaneers on the Rondé Barber. All right, Youth Movement is Jerry Jeudy. Youth Movement. Going to the Broncos. Living Legends is Dante Hall. Kansas City Chiefs. Beast. Nice one for the Chiefs. All right, we got some rookies. This is Kadarius Toney. New York Giants. Next up is Nico Collins. Houston Texans. We got quarterback Kellen Mond. Minnesota. Rookie Kalen Hill. The Green Bay Packers. And nice. Trevor Lawrence is back. Nice bonus for the Jaguars. Another Trevor. Congrats, Jaguars. Alright, then we got some more base. This is TJ Hockenson, Leighton Vander Esch, Hayden Hurst, Pat Mahomes, Chandler Jones, Amari Cooper, Tua Tagovailoa, J.K. Dobbins, Derek Brown, Younghoe Koo, Tyrann Mathieu, Jamal Williams, David Bakhtiari, Dalvin Cook, Tom Brady. Put Brady in some plastic. Nice one for the Bucks. All right, we got Derek Carr, Chris Carson, Montez Sweat, Sony Michel, Chase Claypool, Gardner Minshew, Ronald Jones, Kenyon Drake, and Devontae Adams. Kid reporter. All right, that was your bonus for this evening. Like I said, I appreciate everybody for taking the time to put some bids in and win some teams. So we try to do a bonus whenever we can. So much appreciated. All right, let's get us 4 autos. Leaf signature, 3 rookie autos, 1 Hall of Fame auto. Good luck. Alright, there's our hits. There's our empty. Very nice one on top. I snuck a peek. Alright, first up, we have XRC rookie Monty Rice on the green. Monty Rice, XRC rookie auto. Going to the Tennessee Titans. On the Monty Rice. Nice. Titans, Matt. Need my glasses. Matt R. There you go on the Monty Rice. Monty Rice. Nice one. Blue. Rookie XRC, Elijah Vera Tucker. Nice. That was the first round draft pick, I believe, for the Jets. Elijah Vera Tucker. I will re-sleeve these because for some reason they didn't sleeve them up, but I will get them sleeved up. 1 second. Nice.
Yeah.
Yep, he was the first round pick. And a nice one. Rookie XRC Cal Pitts on the green parallel. Could have done a little bit better with that signature, but it's still a sick card. Atlanta. There's your first round pick. I believe he was number 4 overall. So Atlanta is Robert D. Congrats, Robert, on the green. XRC rookie Cal Pitts. And our Hall of Famer is Charlie Joyner. And it looks like he's in the Browns on this one. Double check that. Let me double check the checklist, but yeah, it says Charlie Joyner. Look like he's in the Browns uniform on this one. So it will go to Cleveland and Corey on the Charlie Joyner Hall of Fame signatures. Nice. Let me re-sleeve these other 3 right quick. I should double check the Charlie Joyner. Oh, they sleeved the Cal Pitts still. I don't care about Elijah Vera Tucker. Alright, let's get into some Leaf Flash. 5 autographs on the Leaf Flash. Good luck. See if we can get us a big one. I'm doing pretty well on these Leaf Flashes. Let's see if we can keep it going. There's our filler, our top empty. Slide that to the back. 1 second. All right, we're still double checking that Joyner, but We'll get it right. Well, I'll let you know in 1 second. All right, but first up, our leaf flash is Brevin Jordan, purple on the Brevin Jordan. This one is 37 of 50. Brevin Jordan, 37 of 50.
Brevin's a Texan.
Going to Houston. Houston, Rafi, congrats on the Brevin Jordan. All right, we have Trey Ragas, also purple. Trey Ragas. This one is 46 of 50.
I'm sorry.
Trey Ragas.
Trey Ragas, Raiders.
And that is going to the Las Vegas Raiders. And the Raiders is Dwayne. Congrats, Dwayne. All right, next up we have Shane Bouchelle. Shane Bouchelle. This one is 19 of 75.
We're going to remember him one day. Chiefs.
Going to the Kansas City Chiefs. Chiefs is also Dwayne. So there you go, Dwayne. Shane Bouchelle of 75. All right, we have Pat Fryermuth. Nice. Rookie flash, 71 of 75. Going to the Pittsburgh Steelers and Andy. Nice on the Pat Fryermuth. Our last one is Ian Book. Ian Book. Not numbered. Going to the New Orleans Saints. And Andy as well. So Andy and Dwayne killed that box. Alright, that's your Andy. That was our leaf flash. Alright, let's get into our Hit Parade autographed mini helmet. This is a collegiate helmet, so it will go to the team that they currently play for. If you're undrafted or free agent, we will randomize it amongst everyone in the break. So good luck, everyone. Let me pop the seals. I missed. Try again. All right. Are you ready? Good luck. Get the stuffing out the way. And it looks like it's an Oregon Duck. It is. Let's see who it is. Nice auto, number 21. Any guesses on the Oregon Ducks? It is LaMichael James. LaMichael James. No, he. 1 second. Let's see. Where's LaMichael at now? All right, LaMichael is a former player, so he will also be randomized amongst everybody in the break. So we have to randomize. The first spot will get the mini helmet, and the second spot will get the Ben Mason. All right, so I also got to clarify one thing. Where is he? Do a quick recap before I do. This card goes to the Cincinnati Bengals, not the Cleveland Browns. I do apologize for that. So Cincinnati, this is Andy. Get the Hall of Fame, Charlie Joyner. That is a Bengals uniform. So, I didn't know. All right, do a quick recap before I do our randomizations. All right, we got Charlie Joyner, Ian Book, Pat Fryermuth, Shane Bouchelle, Trey Ragus, Brevin Jordan, Monty Rice, Elijah Vera Tucker, Kyle Pitts, nice Trevor Lawrence rookie. We got Chris Evans on the peak performers, Shaq Smith, Spencer Brown, nice optic preview, Mac Jones rookie, that is sick. Another Trevor Lawrence on the rated rookie. And we had Ramondre Stevenson. So none of the Patriots done pretty well. Congrats. All right, I'm going to load all 32 teams in the randomizer. Top spot, we'll get the LaMichael James. And second spot, we'll get the Ben Mason. So let me get that loaded up. I'll roll the dice right quick to see. We are going to go 10 times. 10 times. Let's see. All right, we got all 32 in. We have Arizona down to Washington, so we're going 10 times. Good luck. Two, 3, 4, 5. Okay, don't want to cooperate tonight. 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. All right, we got 10 times. Top 2 spots. Let's see who we have on the helmet. Helmet is going to Seattle, and the Ben Mason is going to Cincinnati. All right, so Seattle is Aaron. You're getting the LaMichael James, Oregon Ducks helmet, and I say Cincinnati. Mm-hmm. Andy, you get you another one. Ben Mason coming to you, bud. All right, I would like to thank everyone for joining in tonight. I did not list anything for Thursday night because I forgot. So I'll probably throw a couple cheap randoms up. Probably take the one down that I have because it's not really getting any action. So I'll probably throw some quick randoms up for Thursday night. So be on the lookout for those. And check out the website, southern-breakers.com, or our eBay page at Fair Exchange. And you can see what we have listed for Thursday. All right, I appreciate everybody for joining in. I hope y'all have a good rest of your evening. Be well, be safe.